Many students in Manatee County will be going back to overcrowded schools, even high schools at or over capacity there. ABC Action News reporter Lauren Rosella shows you the district's plan to build some new schools and what parents will have to do to pay for them.
Lakewood Ranch High School's principal is getting crafty.
This used to be one of our teacher resource rooms. Now we had to convert it into a computer lab.
You can still see the marks on the wall where they transformed this large closet full of cabinets into a classroom.
This is just one of the creative ideas that we've done to, create some space on campus for our students.
This year, Lakewood Ranch is several hundred students over capacity. They now have 21 portable classrooms and are using any space they can.
It's just important that over the next couple years that we really get caught up on all those needs.
The school district is banking on a half-cent sales tax renewal. The school district has properties like this old nursery in order to build new high schools, and that's what the half-cent sales tax would pay for. The hope is that that would relieve some pressure on places like Lakewood Ranch.
How we're going to fund that and when the timing is going to be it's going to be a lot dependent on whether or not this, the referendum passes for the half-penny sales tax.
And while they wait, new homes continue to go up, filled with new families.
It's just a matter of kind of like robbing Peter to pay Paul here. We've limited it there, but what is the immediate need? Immediate need is we need student space.
The immediate need is a new high school, but they'll need a new elementary and middle school too. Lauren Rosella, ABC Action News.
More and more families are moving into the eastern and western part of Manatee County, but the central part of that district has schools now with fewer and fewer students. In fact, the district shut down one school in that area just last year.